Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Tammy here, and I have a Creatable World doll. This is the second one of these I bought. I purchased the first one and used him, used the body to add to my boy Blythe doll that needed a new body. And then I liked it so much that I thought, well, let me see if I can find another one. It was only $10, and not only does it come with the doll that the body can be used for Blythe's, but it also has some clothing, so I figured for another $10 I'd get the dark-haired doll. So let me pull it out of here. Get this little cardboard thing, I guess, to give you ideas of how to rearrange the doll. And here he is. He's got a black t-shirt and undies on. The other guy had white. And let's see. Pull him out of here. Come on, get out. Woo. There we go. This guy's a little harder to get out than the other guy. His hair's a little bit funky. It feels like it's almost got glue in it or something. But I'm going to leave him intact for now. I don't have a head for him, but I will be on the lookout for a boy head, a Blythe doll boy head for this guy. And yeah, he's a cute doll. I really like their bodies. They're very, they have a lot of movement to them. And a lot of good possibilities. So I figured I'd go ahead if I could still find one for $10, and I went with the dark-haired guy. Also had different clothing. Let's take a look at the wig. The other wig for the other doll was kind of weird. And let us see how he looks here. Actually, this doll seems to pull it off better than the other doll as far as the wig goes. I still would want him to be a boy, but because I don't have a lot of boy dolls in my collection, but not nearly as bad. The other guy who I have around here, let me find him. He's on a Licca body now. Got some sunglasses on. His just doesn't mesh. I mean, you can see like this one, you can see there's not as big of a difference. This just the coloring, it's actually even just looks too big. So, interesting. Alright, well, taking that off. No wigs today, guys. And see what else is in here. Oh, a cute little beret. Obviously, this won't fit Blythe, but I probably have a doll around here. This might fit. Other than, how does it fit on this guy? Yeah, it's pretty cute. Okay. Nice little shirt. I liked this shirt. It looks like it's got paint stains on it, so that kind of appealed to me. But I really got this because of the doll body and these jeans. I thought these would be good pants for my Blythe boy. I like them. Little Velcro on the back. Little pockets that kind of look like they work, so that's nice. Alright, what else? So we've got, that's a nice guy-friendly outfit. These are weird. I don't know. I don't really remember these, actually. I don't remember these being in the package I ordered. Not sure what to do with those. They're a weird kind of pants. I guess they're supposed to be, I don't know, trendy? Question mark? There's a cute little skirt that obviously my Blythe could wear. And I could probably use that as a template to make some more skirts. I have made actually some like this myself without a template, but still handy. Oh, this is also, I really like this t-shirt. I remember this was a cute little monkey t-shirt. That would be cute. And we've got a jacket here. Definitely, this is some good guy clothing. And what else? We've got eyeglasses. Obviously would not fit a Blythe doll. Get out of there. Those are cute. This is some sort of a tote bag. That's cute. That's usable. Oh, and then we got some cute shoes. Move these over here. Some tennis shoes. Those are nice. I really like those. They kind of have a Converse look to them. Oh, look, little treads. Nice. So those are very useful. And then some cool boots. Oh yeah, these are good. It's a good store. And then some weird little, I don't know. Well, I guess I don't know. These might, would these fit Blythe dolls? It's gonna fit a Licca, I bet. Yep, it's a Licca body. Alrighty, so the verdict is for $10, yes. These I'm kind of like so on. These shoes are excellent to use for my guy Blythe. These are very usable for the guy Blythe. These are just wackadoodle. This obviously would be for a girl, in my mind anyway. My guy's putting that out there. But yeah, these are nice doll clothes that either a doll boy or a doll girl could wear, but I don't have a lot of masculine items for my Blythe doll guy, so now he's got a few more outfits. And yeah, so this is really cute. This would go, this goes together. Got a couple of shoes, and of course if I get another Blythe doll head and I want to switch out a body, I've got an extra bod here. But in the meantime, I'll just let this guy keep his head on. I won't rip his head off now. Maybe put some clothes on him out of his little one of these outfits here. And yeah, thanks for stopping by and doing a little dolly mail with me. I hope you guys have a wonderful dolly day. And yeah, please subscribe, hit the icon, and give me a thumbs up. Bye bye.